Miss Cinderella. And she brought with her all of these funny Play-Doh balls. What are those? Why don't we open one to find out? Want to help us, Cinderella? Oh my goodness, look! It's a crown to put on a princess. Pretty. Well, and it came in some Play-Doh, so why don't we go ahead and make one? Let's mush up this Play-Doh, stick it down, and roll it out. Nice. Now if we take this little thing, push it down on there. Oh, there it is. Ooh, oh, look how pretty that is with its pretty flower. There's our red one. Okay, Cinderella, help us with the next one. Ah, where'd it go? Whoa. What is that one? It's a giant star. It came out of the orange Play-Doh. Let's roll out this orange Play-Doh and put the star in. Whoop! Look at that! Ooh, look at that star! Woo! Look at everything we found. That's awesome. Okay, why don't we go ahead and do the next color? How about that, Cinderella? Next color is yellow. Come on down, yellow. Yellow woogie woogie. Here you are. Oh, look who that is. It's Grumpy. Let's make Grumpy out of yellow Play-Doh. There he is. There's good old Grumpy. Grumpy. Why are you always so grumpy, Grumpy? That was funny. Grumpy is from Snow White. But you're Cinderella. Cinderella, let's do the green Play-Doh. Look, this one's a princess castle. Let's go ahead and make the princess castle out of green Play-Doh. There we go. Let's use the princess castle. Princesses live in princess castles. Oh, there it is. Look at the cute flowers. Cinderella lives in a castle. Okay, let's do the next color. The next color is blue. Go on, Cinderella. Whoop. this one is. This one's Snow White. Let's hurry and make Snow White out of blue. Okay, come on, Snow White. Aw, look how pretty Snow White is. She has her cute little bow on top. So pretty, princess. Okay, purple. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, look, it's another green one. Yellow, green. Okay, what are we gonna make out of purple Play-Doh? Look, it's Dopey. We're gonna make Dopey out of purple Play-Doh. Okay, go on, Dopey. Aw, looky at Dopey. Aw, look how happy he is. He's so cute. Okay, last one is Pink. Matches her dress. This is her pink party dress. Oh no, who is that? That's the evil queen from Snow White. No! Well, let's make the evil queen. Oh, there's the evil queen. Blah. I'm the wicked queen. Oh, la, 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 la. The queen shouldn't be pink. We should make something else pink. Let's roll the pink all out. Okay, it's all rolled out, all nice and ready. Now let's make some stuff pink, like the princess crown and the princess castle. And how about Snow White? And a star. Oh, look at all of our pink princess stuff. We got a pretty pink castle, pretty pink Snow White, a pretty pink star, and pretty pink crown. So red and pink crown, an orange star, and a pink star. Grumpy, a green castle, and a pink castle. Pretty blue Snow White, and pink Snow White, and Dopey. That was fun making all of those Play-Doh people. We got so many different colors and lots of pink. We like lots of pink. Those were some good surprises. Okay, say bye.